Welcome to Tech Edify. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a second Gmail account. Now, probably if you have an account already or you have an email, but you want to add a second Gmail account to what you have. Now, this is how you go about it. So, supposing you have opened to your inbox. Now, what you have to do is that you have to move the mouse straight to where your account profile is. Now, when you come here, you see add account. So this is what I have already. So when I tap on the add account, you will see sign in. That is, if you already have an account that you can sign in. But here in our case, we want to create a new account. So you hit on create account. Now you have to choose whether you want to use the account for personal use or for your child or for a business. So here I'm just going to use for my personal use. All right, so here you need to provide information about the account that you want to create. So probably your first name. So let me put this name there. All right, so you can put your surname or it's an optional. All right, now when you finish, you hit on the next button. So from here, you have to put in some basic information about yourself, probably your date of birth. So here, let's put some information here. All right, so I'll choose my gender and then I'll go to next. Okay, so here, Google will suggest to you the account that you can use. So here are some suggested accounts for you. Now it is based on the name that we gave it. That is your first name and your last name. Now if you want to choose your own Gmail, maybe you don't like any one of these one that you want to choose your own, you can hit on the create your own. But probably if you want these ones, you can choose from any. So let me just choose create your own Gmail account. All right, so I just want to use. All right, so this is what I want to use. Now let's go to next and check if it's available. All right, so if it's available, you will proceed on to give a password for it. And if it's not available to, you need to create a new one. So here you're going to put a password that you want to use. So let me put in a password here. All right, so you can go to next. All right, so the password should be at least 8 characters. So let me add something to it. All right, so here we need to create a strong password. So, because of hackers and scammers, they wanted you to have a strong password. Probably you might have a letters, numbers, or symbol inside. So let me just choose one. All right, so let's go to next. Okay, so here Google want to verify whether you are not a robot. So here you need to put in your phone number. So you can put in your phone number and then go to next. You receive a verification code from your service provider. Then you have to enter that code and then, hey, your account is done. So that's how you can create or add a second Gmail account. Now, when you are done, you will see the account that you added over here. So I just want to end it here. I don't even need this as an account just for demonstration sake. But here you can put in your phone number and go to next. After you are done, you will see the account that will be part of your Google account here, and you can switch to any of the accounts, either your first or your secondary account that you added. So feel free to put in the comment section if you're having any challenges. I'll be there to help you. Now don't forget to share this video and also subscribe to the channel if today happens to be your first. I'll see you in my next video.